Welcome. This is a short breathing exercise designed to help your nervous system shift out of the state of feeling as if it's always on and bringing it over to a more relaxed state. During this time of year, you might notice that your system, your body, feels like it's carrying a bit more than normal or a bit more than usual. There could be joy, but there could also be a feeling of burnout, a feeling of grief, a feeling of being overwhelmed, a feeling of stress. Again, what this exercise is here to do is to help you to shift out of that state. I'm your guide during this practice. So with me being your guide, please do not get caught up on technicalities. Am I breathing correctly? Did I miss a beat? Are my seconds too long or seconds too short? Again, that's why I'm here to guide you through this. So what type of breathing will we do today? Well, we're going to breathe with our inhales through your nose and your exhale through your nose as well. Now, you might be familiar with inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. I teach that version as well. But for today's practice and the practice of this entire session, in through your nose, out through your nose. We don't want to stimulate anything within your nervous system. We want to keep everything calm. So, let's begin. Again, it'll be in for a count of 4. Exhale for a count of 6. As I start to guide you, I'm going to breathe and count along with you for the first 3 rounds. And then I'll stop, but I want you to continue. Ready? Let's begin. Get a nice place, whether you are standing, sitting in a chair, sitting on your bed. Make sure you're comfortable. Close your eyes. And you're going to inhale with me as I guide you for a count of 4, and exhale for a count of 6. Let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax your shoulders. Continue breathing. And relax your shoulders. We're going to have one more breath together. Now exhale. Keeping your eyes closed, I want you to return to your regular breathing, your normal breathing state, and slowly start to bring yourself back. Notice different things. Notice the sounds that are in the room. What do you smell right now? Keeping your eyes closed, start to slowly wiggle your fingers, your shoulders, your back, your legs, your toes. Now, when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. Carry this peace with you throughout the day. Thank you so much for giving yourself a few minutes. This is Wellness Rewritten.